Hey there, hope you guys are having a great Wednesday. It is definitely a beautiful day today, and entering the 4 p.m. hour, we're still in the mid-70s, lots of sunshine. We're starting to have some clouds build into northeast Mississippi, but temperature-wise, we are feeling quite nice, and this is all thanks to high pressure. It's helping us have a nice few days for the beginning of the work week, but as we go further into the work week and to the weekend, that'll start to change. But temperatures right now, again, they're feeling amazing. We're in the upper 70s in Meridian and Monroeville, 79 in Jackson and Hattiesburg, 73 here in Starkville as well as Memphis, 75 for Little Rock and Greenville. So all of us enjoying these warm temperatures, and it'll stay that way as we go further into the evening. We'll be in the lower 70s by 6 p.m. and then by 8 p.m. the sun will start to set, temperatures will start to drop. We're going to be in the mid 60s. Now, overnight lows tonight, they're not going to be chilly. We're actually going to be quite mild. All of us going to be in the lower 50s, some of us in the upper 40s, 49 for Macon and Columbus, 46 for Vernon, Alabama, but the rest of us staying in the lower 50s for tonight. Going into tomorrow, it's going to be yet another beautiful day. We're going to have high temperatures in the upper 70s, lots of sunshine again. By noon, we're going to be in the mid 70s, and by 3 p.m., that's when we're going to see our high temperature. And then by 6 p.m., we're still going to be feeling the upper 70s. So it's going to be yet another beautiful day tomorrow, and it's going to stay that way as we go throughout the rest of the work week. But as we go into Easter weekend, those rain chances start to come back into the forecast. We'll have a slight rain chance going in on Saturday, and then by Sunday, that's actually going to be our highest chance to see some rain for the next few days. And then starting off the work week next week, we got some rain chances again going in the forecast. So Easter egg hunting on Sunday. It's going to be muggy, it's going to be rainy, it's going to be cloudy, but temperature-wise will be quite nice. We're going to be in the lower 70s by 10 a.m., and then by noon we'll be in the upper 70s, and by 2 p.m. we'll be in the 80s. So temperature-wise, going to be nice, but it's going to be rainy, so may have to move some plants inside. The SPC has put us in a 15% of some severe weather going for Sunday morning. It's including some of us in northeast Mississippi, but again, this is for Sunday morning. As the storms move further into northeast Mississippi, those severe limits are going to diminish as they make our way closer to our viewing area. So this is Futurecast starting at 5 p.m. Lots of cloud coverage. We'll start to see some scattered showers come in late Saturday night and into Sunday morning. And then as we go further into Sunday, that's when we're going to start seeing more of that widespread rain and more of that heavier rainfall, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. And then as we go further into Sunday, still dealing with lots of rain in northeast Mississippi, and then eventually moving off to the east by early on Monday. So going to be a rainy Easter weekend. It's going to be a rainy start to the work week next week. But for now, enjoy temperatures in the 70s. We got lots of sunshine as well as low temperatures in the mid 50s. And then as we go into the weekend, we'll be back into the 80s.